The pandemic has battered college students. That from a new study out of Montclair State. As our Marcy Rubin reports, COVID has hurt them academically, financially, and mentally.
You know, my entire junior year, 2021, I was inside.
Montclair senior Avery Knorr admits she struggled during the height of the pandemic, socially, academically, and mentally.
I felt like not only did I lose like a little of my like social aspect, but I also lost like the drive to do schoolwork.
Doing much better now, motivated and enjoying her last few months of college, Avery isn't alone in her experience, and proof of that is coming from the psychology department at her school.
College students are particularly vulnerable for mental health problems, so we would only expect a stressor like the pandemic to lead to a worsening of mental health symptoms.
Dr. Jasmine Reyes-Portillo is the co-author of a new study on the psychological, academic, and economic impact of COVID-19 on college students. Researchers surveyed more than 4,700 students from colleges and universities across New Jersey and New York. 75% of them reporting feeling more anxious with uncontrollable worry. 68% reported sleep problems, and 60% felt hopeless. All factors, researchers say, that can heighten the risk of suicidal thoughts or behaviors.
As a psychologist, you never want to see people in distress, right? And so that's always a cause for concern.
The study also found a big difference between the number of minority students versus white students who were worried about being able to continue their education because of financial reasons. The hope is the findings will help institutions of higher learning, families, and the public find ways to more effectively notice and better support struggling and stressed students during a pandemic or not. At Montclair State University, Marcy Rubin, News 12, New Jersey.
The research team at Montclair led a multi-institutional study, more than 4,700 students at schools in New Jersey and New York. It was during the spring of 2020 semester.